Most muscle car aficionados know Charger 500s as incredibly rare classics that are the missing link between regular Chargers and Chrysler's outrageous winged warriors, the Charger Daytona and Plymouth Superbird. Around 1969, Ford and Mercury were dominating NASCAR competition with aerodynamically superior cars, and the new for 1968 Dodge Charger just didn't take well to high-banked ovals and speeds close to 200 miles per hour. Most notably, the car's recessed grille was catching wind like a parachute, and its recessed rear window, complete with dramatic sail panels, created lift that severely affected high-speed stability. In an effort to make their drivers more competitive, Dodge engineers bolted a coronet grille on the Charger's nose and fashioned a sloped, flush-fit rear window that would ultimately define the competition-ready Charger 500. Of course, if the teams wanted to race it, the factory had to build it. That meant putting at least 500 of these cars on the street in the hands of paying customers. According to well-known Mopar expert Galen Govier, who fully documented and verified this particular Charger 500, there were precisely 559 Charger 500s built in 1969. Of those, only 116 were, like this car, fitted with a legendary Hemi V8. And of those 116, only 32, also like this car, were equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. So there you have it. Any way you look at it, this exceptionally restored numbers-matching Charger is an incredibly rare classic. This is a holy grail classic for any Mopar collector, and better still, it's a story gem that presents a serious enthusiast the exclusive opportunity to become a part of something bigger. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.